Holy Mary, pray for us. Saint Joseph, pray for us. Saint Joseph, Light of the Patriarchs, pray for us. Holy Mary, Queen of Patriarchs, pray for us. Saint Joseph, Spouse of the Mother of God, pray for us. Saint Joseph, Chaste Guardian of the Virgin, pray for us. Holy Mary, Queen of Virgins, pray for us. Saint Joseph, Protector of Virgins, pray for us. Saint Joseph, Foster Father of the Son of God, pray for us. Saint Joseph, Sedulous Defender of Christ, pray for us. Saint Joseph, Head of the Holy Family, pray for us. Holy Mary, Queen of Families, pray for us. Saint Joseph, Glory of Family Life, pray for us. Saint Joseph, Pillar of Families, pray for us. Saint Joseph, Consolation of the Afflicted, pray for us. Holy Mary, Comfort of the Afflicted, pray for us. Saint Joseph, Hope of the Sick, pray for us. Holy Mary, Health of the Sick, pray for us. Saint Joseph, Patron of the Dying, pray for us. Saint Joseph, Terror of